Hey there, tech enthusiasts and lovers of all things shiny and glassy. Welcome back to the End Content Co. YouTube channel. Today, we're descending into the cavernous realms of computer glory, spotlighting the real diva in the world of ATX mid-tower computer cases, the Thermaltake Core P3 tempered glass. Now, you know when you stand atop a hill, watching a panoramic sunset, feeling all dreamy? Well, imagine that same feeling but while gazing into your PC components. Mind blown? Yup, the Core P3 is giving us total Windows with a view vibes. And I'm not talking about the operating system. With its 5mm thick tempered glass, this thing is both sturdy and transparent. Basically, it's the PC case version of the fairy godmother's glass slipper. Alright, let's talk placement. If you're an art lover, you can hang it on your wall right next to that questionable modern art piece you bought last summer. And if you're the indecisive type, no worries. Prop it up vertically today, lay it down horizontally tomorrow, and by Friday, maybe you'll decide to have it wall-mounted. It's like the transformer of PC cases. And let's chat about the vertical GPU mounting. Because why should portraits get all the vertical fun? Your GPU deserves to stand tall and proud. And to sweeten the pot, they're even throwing in a PCIe riser cable. It's like getting fries with your burger. But here's what's gonna tickle your funny bone: the dismountable modular design. Think of it as the Lego set you never outgrow. Assemble, disassemble, reassemble without the dreaded foot assault from a rogue piece. Hold on to your coffee, or tea, we don't discriminate, because there's more. This avant-garde chassis supports the creme de la creme of PC hardware. And for our liquid aficionados, there's a cheeky nod with its TD-LCS certification. If you're scratching your head, no. LCS doesn't mean lavishly cooled spectacle, though it should. It stands for liquid cooling supported. A little birdie, okay, it was Greg from accounting, told me that this time around, we're using the Core P3 as our very own test bench. With its runway-esque open design, it's every component's dream. Because why hide your glam when you can flaunt it? If computer cases had a Vogue magazine, the Core P3 would be its cover star, strutting its stuff and giving us all the techie feels. So stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe because things are about to get hilariously tech-tastic around here.